Well, after reeling under stringent lockdown for nearly 2 months because of the horrific second surge of COVID, Delhi is going to begin to unlock. And this is going to be in a phased, wise manner from the 7th of June onwards. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced unlock of the national capital. As per guidelines, all markets and malls will open on the basis of odd-even system from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Standalone shops will open every single day. Delhi metro services will resume with 50% seating capacity. 100% presence of Group A offices are allowed, and private offices can work with 50% manpower. Speaking on the possible third wave, Arvind Kejriwal has said that all hospitals are ramping up infrastructure. The government is increasing beds, oxygen infrastructure, medicines, along with beds for children. A team of doctors will be set up to guide people about medicines, along with setting up of 2 genome labs. Well, this unlock comes after a dip in cases in Delhi, which has recorded 523 new cases, 55 new deaths. The positivity rate is at 0.6%.
ये वाला जो लॉकडाउन पिछले हफ्ते ऐलान किया था वो सोमवार को सुबह 5 बजे तक है। उसके आगे भी लॉकडाउन जारी रहेगा, लेकिन काफ़ी सारी और एक्टिविटीज़ में रियायत दी जा रही है, उनको खोला जा रहा है। एक तो जितने बाज़ार हैं, मॉल्स हैं, उनको खोला जा रहा है ऑड इवन के बेसिस पे, कि आधी दुकानें एक दिन खुलेंगी, आधी दुकानें दूसरे दिन खुलेंगी, आधी दुकानें एक दिन, आधी दुकानें दूसरे दिन। 10 बजे से सुबह 10 बजे से शाम को 8 बजे तक दुकान नंबर के हिसाब से, ऑड इवन के हिसाब से दुकानें खोली जाएंगी। दिल्ली मेट्रो 50% कैपेसिटी के ऊपर चालू की जा रही है और ई कॉमर्स के ज़रिए जो सामान बेचने की प्रक्रिया है वो चालू रहेगी। तो मोटे मोटे तौर पे ये चीज़ों की रियायत दी जा रही है और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ इसके बाद देखेंगे कि आने वाले हफ्ते के अंदर भी कोरोना की स्थिति अगर काबू में रही तो और कई सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को फिर उसके अगले हफ्ते खोलेंगे।
It's good news time for those who stay in the national capital. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced a phased unlocking of the city. When we talk about shops and malls, they will be allowed to open between 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. from Monday onwards. And they will have to open on an odd and even basis. Those who have standalone shops, they can open them every day, but the timing will remain the same from 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. Metro services will start. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is of the opinion that the government will closely monitor the COVID situation in the city. The positivity rate over the past 24 and 48 hours has been 0.5%, and the number of cases have reduced drastically in the last 1 week. Keeping all these things in mind, the phased unlocking rather, has begun. And Chief Minister is of the opinion if the situation remains under control in the next 1 to 2 weeks, then the entire national capital will be opened up. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from Connaught Place for India Today with camera person Alok.